Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you a new functionality in Mesh Morpher that allows us to measure different interest points in our skeletal mesh, right? So a good way to start this is by clicking in the main viewport here on 2 points, and it will tell you the distance, right, between these 2 points. You can add another point, and you would follow a certain path of points of interest in your skeletal mesh that you would want to track and see how they move, right, or how your morph targets influence them, or how they react to animations, right? So you can also save this. This is a ruler, right? So we can save this ruler as well. Let's save it. And what we can do now, we have already a morph target that slightly modifies the nose and the ear, and we will see how this ruler reacts to this morph target, right? So we will see that the first segment here is impacted by our change because we sculpted the nose. So the nose has a different representation, and it shows you exactly the new path, right? So we can see we have no change in this area, but because our ears are modified, we can see that our ruler takes a different path, right? So we can see visually, to have a visual representation of how morph targets or animation impact our ruler, right? So we can also do another thing. We can open the same ruler here, and we can test it with an animation, right? With an animation curve, for example. So if we check pull, mouth corner pull, and we enable it on the left side, we will see that our ruler changed its path. Our points of interest are modified, and we can track how this corner pull affects our points of our points of interest, right? So we have here several data informations, and we have a distance and the initial distance. Each point, it will tell you by what distance it moved and the delta. So we see that for example, this point 1 moved on x-axis by 0.3 almost, on y by minus 0.2 almost, and for z by 0.3, right? So we can have exact data or of how morph targets or animations or animation curves or whatever affect our points of interest. So if we enable this as well, we will see that our ruler changed even more, and the values changed, distances and everything are updated. And the red ruler represents the new path, which is representing the points of interest affected by whatever deformation or animation you have running. And the green is the original one, right? You can change these colors if you go to edit settings, and you have this you have here all kinds of options to affect how the ruler displays data, right? So this is it for this video. I hope this ruler will help animators to track a little bit better how their animation affects their meshes. Also for sculpting as well, we can use this ruler functionality, because we can actually reposition and see exactly what moves and why, and we can reposition whatever is affected by by our morph target or whatever, right? So we have we have the ability to see how it works and match and try to understand better how morph targets or animations affect our meshes, right? I hope this makes sense. This is kind of new. This is kind of an experimental functionality in Mesh Morpher, but I think it's a very useful functionality that would help us to better to create better metahumans, right? And yeah, this is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy this new functionality. Let me know if you have any feedback about this functionality, because we're trying to make this more complex to provide enough information. And yeah, see you around, guys. Bye.